students, how are you? Yes, very good. In this video we are going to discuss whether the given numbers are perfect cube numbers or not. We have to check whether the given numbers are perfect cube or not by using prime factorization method. So first question, check whether the given numbers are perfect cube or not. First number is 2700. So you have to check whether this 27 is perfect cube or not by using prime factorization. So first we have to perform prime factorization of this 2700. So all of you know the prime factorization of this 2700. This is even number, unit place digit is 0. So this is even number, so it can be easily divided by 2. So let's start division of this given number with 2. So first number is 2 1s are 2. Then 7 is there, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 5s are 10, and 0 is there. Again this is even number, it can be easily divided by 2. So let's start division with 2. 2 6s are 12, 1 and 5, 2 7s are 14, and 1 2 5s are 10. Now unit place digit of this 675 is 5, which is odd number, and that's why this given number is now not divided by 2. So if number is not divided by 2, we have to check the divisibility of this given number by 3. We have to consider the prime numbers only, 2, then 3, 5, 7, likewise. So this number is not divisible by 2, then we have to check the divisibility by 3. So what is the divisibility by 3? We have to consider the sum of the digits of this given number. Sum of the digits of this given number is 13 plus 5 18. So sum of the digit of given number is divisible by 3. So entire number is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 5. But we have to first perform the division by 3, and then if it is not divisible by 3, then we have to perform the division by 5. Clear, students? So it's a 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, 1 3 5s are 15. Now is it divisible by 3? Yes. So 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, again 3 25s are 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. This is prime factorization. Now make the list of prime factors of this 2700. So which is 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, and 5 into 5. These are the list of prime factors of this 2700. And then you have to check the factors whether they are in the group of 3. So here we can say that these 2 and 5 are not in the group of 3. For any perfect cube number, its factor must be in the group of 3. You know? Likewise, perfect square number. For any perfect square number, the factors of perfect square numbers are in the pairs of prime numbers. They are in the group of 2 digits. Here the factors must be in the group of 3. So here only 3 is in the group of 3, while these 2 and 5 are in a group of 2 factors. They are not in the group of 3 factors. So here we can say that 2700 is not perfect cube number. Perfect cube number. Done. So this is how you can check whether the given number is perfect cube number or not. Let's check second number. Suppose we are given 900. Whether this 900 is perfect cube number. So we have to check its prime factorization. So prime factorization of 900. Even number. So division will start with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 2 5s are 10. Then 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, and 3 25s are 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. So make the list of these factors. So 900 factors are 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. All factors are in the group of 2 only. Then they must be in the group of 3 to be a perfect square number, and therefore we can say that 900 is not perfect cube number. 900 is not perfect cube number, है ना. One more sum. For example, we are given 3375. चलो 3375 लेते हैं. 3375. So here number is 3375. Perform factorization of it. Here unit place digit is 5, which is not perfect square number, which is not even number. Sorry, unit place digit is 5, which is not even number. So our number is not divisible by 2. Now you have to check the divisibility by 3. So 3 plus 3 6 plus 5 13 plus 5 18. So here 3 is there. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now it's a 3 3s are 9, 2 3 7s are 21, and 3 5s are 15. This is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Now it is not divisible by 3, so you have to divide by 5. What is the divisibility test of 5? The unit place digit of given number must be 0 or 5. So it's a 5 is there. So this given number is divisible by 5. So we will divide this number with 5. So first consider these two numbers 1 to 12. So this 12 can be divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 will be left. 2 and 5 25. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So make the list of these numbers, factors. So 3375, and the factors of these numbers are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So here all the factors of these numbers are in the group of 3. No, all the prime factors of these given numbers are in a group of 3. No, 3 3 times and 5 is also 3 times. Yes, so all the factors are in the group of 3, and therefore we can say that therefore given number 3375 is perfect cube number. Perfect cube number. Done? Understood, students, how to find how to check whether the given number is perfect cube number or not? Yes? Yes. What you have to do? You just have to perform prime factorization. After prime factorization, you have to make the list of that factors, and you have to check whether the factors of that given numbers are in the group of 3 or not. If the factors of the given numbers are in the group of 3, and all the factors of the given number must be in the group of 3, not only one factor. All the factors of the given number must be in the group of 3, and then we can say that given number is perfect cube number. Otherwise given number is not perfect cube number. Done? So this is how you can solve all type of questions. Numbers may be changed, procedure will be same. Pause the video and note it down. Now next question is find the cube root of given numbers. So perfect cube numbers are given, and you have to find the cube root of the given number by using prime factorization method. Basically there are two methods are there to find the cube root of any given number. First method is prime factorization method, and second method is method of estimation. So first we will discuss method of prime factorization to find the cube root of this given number. So given number is 1728. You have to find the cube root of this given number by prime factorization. Given number is even number, it can be divided with 2. So 2 8s are 16, 16 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and again this is 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, again 2 2 1s are 2. Now 0, combine these two numbers, 2 8s are 16, again can be divided by 2. 54 2s are 27 2s are. Now it cannot be divided with 2, so you have to consider division with 3. 2 plus 7 9, 3 3s are 9, so it's a 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. This is prime factorization. Done? Then you have to make the list of factors. 1728 factors are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 6 times 2 and 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Done? Then you have to make the group of 3 factors. This is first group, second group and third group. So this one is 2 cube, this one is 2 cube and this one is 3 cube. So 1728 is nothing but the 2 into 2 into 3 whole cube is there. So 1728 equal to 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. 12 cube is there. Question is find the cube root of this given number. So cube root is 1728 equal to cube root of 12 cube. So cube root and cube will be cut. Our answer is 12. So cube root of this given number 1728 is 12. Clear students? This is how you can find the cube root of any given number. Pause the video and note it down. Now second sum, we have to find the cube root of the given number is 15625. Given number is 15625. 15625. So here prime factorization, the unit place digit is 5. So this number is not divisible by 2 because this is not even number, this is odd number. So divisibility test by 2 is failed. Now you have to check the divisibility of this given number by 3. So for that you have to consider the sum of digits of given number. So here digits are 15625. So their sum is 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 5, 19. So 19 is not divisible by 3. So again divisibility test by 3 is also failed. Then you have to check the divisibility by 5. So for the 5, its unit place digit and unit place digit of given number must be 0 or 5, है ना. किसी भी नंबर का यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट सपोज 0 और 5 है ना, तो then that number is divisible by 5. So here unit place digit of this given number is 5. So we can say that this number can be divided with 5. So let's start division with 5. So it's a 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Now again division with 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So this is prime factorization. We are getting odd factors as a 5. Make the list of the factors. 15625 equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 5, 5 5 5 5 5 and 5. 6 times 5. Make the group of 3 factors. So this is 5 cube multiply by 5 cube. So here you are getting 15625 equal to 5 into 5. It's a 25 cube. Question is find the cube root of given number. So cube root of given number 15625 is equal to cube root of this 25 cube. So this cube and cube root will be cut. Our answer is 25. So cube root of this given number 15625 is 25. Clear? Pause the video and note it down. Now students, question number 3. This is very similar to find the square root of given number, है ना. For the square root of given number, we are making the group of two factors and we are writing 2 power. Here you have to make the factors in a group of 3. Now question number 3. Find the cube root of number 13824, है ना. आपको पहले से ही बोला है कि फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ गिवन नंबर. दैट मीन्स गिवन नंबर्स आर परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर. वो आपको चेक नहीं करना है ना. दे आर ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर. यू हैव टू डायरेक्ट फैक्टराइज इट. सो इट्स 13824. अगर नहीं भी है तो फैक्टराइजेशन में पता चल जाएगा कि नहीं है. So here unit place digit is 2. Start division with 2. So it's a 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12. Again 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14, 2 2 are 4, 2 8 are 16. So again 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. Again 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2 and 2 8 are 16. 2 से होगा डिवीजन. 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 10, 2 4 are 8, 2 27 are 54. अभी 2 से नहीं होगा, सो 3 से होगा. यस, 7 + 2 9, 3 3 are 9. So 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9 and 3 1 are 3. This is prime factorization of this given number. Now write the factors. It's a 1 3 8 2 4 and the factors are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times 3 and 3 times 3. These are the factors of given number 1 3 8 2 4. Then make the group of 3 3 factors. First group, second group, third group and fourth group. So 2 into 2 into 2, multiplication of 2 with 2 3 times. So it's a 2 cube power. Again 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 cube and 3 cube. So here we can take this 3 as a common. So this 1 3 8 2 4, 3 common means है ना, मल्टीप्लाई को मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ ब्रैकेट में करके कॉमन पावर 3 करेंगे. So this 1 3 8 2 4 is nothing but the cube of which number? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 cube. है ना, this is the cube of 24 and hence cube root of given number 1 3 8 2 4 is cube root of 24. So 3 3 will be cut or answer is 24. Therefore cube root of this given number 1 3 8 2 4 is 24. Clear students? Pause the video, take some rest and note it down. अच्छा है ना, है ना. देखो अभी बारिश की मौसम चल रही है, ठीक है. आप मैच कर रहे हो, अगर अच्छी बारिश आ जाए ना, वीडियो पॉज करो, मोबाइल ऑफ करो और चले जाओ, घूम के आ जाओ, है ना. एक चक्कर लगे आ जाओ, नाश्ता करके आ जाओ, है ना. गर्मा गर्म भजिए खा के आ जाओ, ठीक है. उसके बाद करो सम्स, है ना. यू हैव टू एंजॉय मैथमेटिक्स. चलो एक और लास्ट सम कर दें, आगे वापस सब. हाँ, नाश्ता वास्ता करके आ गए. चलो एक और सम बाकी था. तो फोर्थ सम 9 1 1 2 5. फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस 9 1 1 2 5 बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. क्या करना है? सो 9 1 1 2 5 फैक्टराइजेशन. यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट पहले चेक करो विच इज़ ऑड नंबर. सो दिस इज़ नॉट इवन नंबर, सो 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. 3 के लिए सबका एडिशन 9 + 1 10 + 1 11 + 2 13 + 5 18. So it can be divided with 3. So it's a 3 3s are 9. Then you have to add 0. Again 3 3s are 9, 2 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Now again division with 3. 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. This one is 3 3s are 9, 1, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 से होगा, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 5 7 8 9, 3 से होगा. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. अभी 3 से नहीं होगा तो 5 से, यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट इज 5, सो डिवीजन विथ 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So here factors are 9 1 1 2 5 are 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 times 3 and 3 times 5, 5 5 5. Make a group of digits in a 3 3 का ग्रुप बनाओ. So it's a 3 cube, 3 cube and 5 cube. So our number 91125 is nothing but the 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 cube. So this 91125 is nothing but the 3 3s are 9 4s are 45 cube, and therefore the cube root of 91125 is cube root of this 45 cube. So cube root is 45. Clear, students? So this is how you can find the cube root of any given number if you know the prime factorization very perfectly. Pause the video and note it down.